In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this really awesome cool slide animation using PowerPoint. So let's get started. Assalamualaikum and welcome guys. I'm MT guys and you're watching Tech and Tech channel. As you can see, this is our final output. If we play this, we can see all the animations are working perfectly. Now to create this, we need to take a new blank slide. So I'm taking a new blank slide. Now we can start working. So select the oval shape. Now holding your Ctrl Shift key, make a shape like this. Then go to Format, Shape Outline and No Outline. Then align it in the center. Again align it in the middle. Click outside. Select the rectangular shape. Now make a shape like this. Now go to Format, Shape Outline and No Outline. Now align it in the center and again align it in the middle. Then press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Then rotate it. Then also align it in the center and middle. Now holding your Ctrl key, select the rectangles. Then go to Merge Shapes and select Union. Click outside. Then select the first shape. Holding your Ctrl key, select the second shape. Now go to Format, Merge Shapes and select Fragment. Now click outside. Now click on the midpoint and press Delete. After that, holding your Ctrl key, select all of the extra lines and press Delete. Now we can change the colors. So first select this shape, go to Format, then Shape Fill and change the color. Now do this for all. After changing all the colors, pick the text box and make a box here. Now type your text. Selecting the text, change the font. Increase the size. Make it bold and place it center. Change the color to white. Now drag it here. Now holding your Ctrl Shift key, drag it to right. Now select them both and holding Ctrl Shift, drag them down. Now change the numbers. Select the text box and this shape. Press Ctrl G to group. Do it for all. Now select them all and drag them down a little bit. After that, we have to add 4 text boxes outside. It's very easy, so I will fast forward a little bit. Now make a title. Now we will be needed 4 copies of this slide. So select the slide, then press Ctrl D to make copy. Do it 4 times. Now go to the second slide and change the color of this text to match with this color. Then go to the third slide and change the color of this text. Now go to fourth, then fifth. After changing the text colors, back to your second slide. Now it's time to add animations. So go to animations, click on animation pane. Now select the first shape, click on add animation, and here select lines. Now zoom in a bit and drag this red dot like this. Here start after previous, duration 0.50. Then click on this icon and go to effect options. Now maximize the smooth end and hit OK. Now zoom out, jump to the slide 3, select this shape and add animations, lines. Again zoom in, drag this red dot like this again. Now start after previous, duration 0.50. Click on this icon, go to effect options, maximize the smooth end and hit OK. Zoom out. Now do the same with these two. So without wasting time, let's fast forward a little bit. We have added the animations. Now it's time to check out. So come back to your first slide. Now if we play this, we can see all the animations are working as expected. So that's it. Hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, feel free to ask me in comment section below. And if you want to check out more videos by me, please do subscribe. And yes, thanks for watching.